Hi everybody, it's Denise Lush back for part 2 of Print to Project. In part 1 we created some gel prints using our 12x14 gel press plate and some impressables and some handmade stencils and just random mark making tools. And we printed on some printer paper, tissue paper, and craft paper. So we have a variety of color and black and white and some basic shapes. I have some plain and some colors. So we have lots to play with. And for the journal, I'm working in my large Dilutions journal. So I think I'm going to do a 2-page spread. I don't really have anything planned out. I'm just going to play and see what happens. So for now we don't have to commit to anything. We can just tear up our paper, or if you prefer you can cut it out with a pair of scissors and just play with your shapes and your prints and piece them together how you like. Okay, I have a general idea just started, so I'm going to start gluing down things so it makes it a little easier to keep playing. So to glue down my images, I'm going to use some Distress Collage Medium in matte finish, and I'm going to use this distress brush that is actually meant for collaging. So we'll see how this works. So I'm just taking a little bit of Quinacridone Nickel Azel Gold, which is a color that I used when doing the gel prints. And I'm just putting a little bit on my finger, and then I'm wiping it onto my page, and then just spritzing it a little bit with water and running my brayer over it. I'm just taking a water-soluble graphite crayon and just going in, making things a little more grungy. Just taking a little bit of Payne's gray. And from the gel prints created last Wednesday, I have created a 2-page spread in my art journal. Some papers I torn, some I cut with scissors or a knife, but it all works together, and I like the color combo. You have the dark, rusty, grungy look with the pop of blue and magenta, and then grunge it up further using a graphite pencil and water, and then blended in the papers into the paper a little bit using some more paint that we used in our original gel prints. Just did a little stamping, the word window, because this kind of reminded me of a window, and then did a little journaling, and I wrote it quite messy on purpose so it wasn't easy to read. And then I just wrote more words on top. So that is how you can use your gel prints in your art journal. I do hope you enjoyed the video.